Did you know your body hides secrets that even surprise scientists? Watch till the end. The last one will shock you. 1. Your heart beats about 100,000 times every day. 2. Your brain uses more energy than any other organ, even during sleep. 3. Humans glow slightly in the dark, but our eyes can't see it. 4. Your skin renews itself every 27 days. 5. Your body has more bacteria than human cells, and most are helpful. 6. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. 7. Your nose can recognize over 50,000 different smells. 8. Human bones are stronger than steel by weight. 9. You blink about 15 to 20 times per minute. 10. Your body produces enough heat to boil water if collected. 11. The liver can regenerate itself after damage. 12. You grow slightly taller at night while sleeping. 13. Human eyes can see around 10 million colors. 14. Your blood travels about 96,000 kilometers every day. 15. The brain survives only 5 minutes without oxygen. 16. Your ears keep listening even when you sleep. 17. You lose about 600,000 skin cells every hour. 18. The heart can beat on its own even outside the body. 19. Every human has unique fingerprints, even twins. 20. Your body is constantly repairing itself, even at rest.